Yo, what's good, guys? It's CEO Aman. Welcome to another video on the Elite Capital channel. As you guys may know, I am on a 20-0 win streak, and I went one full month in my signal room being undefeated, meaning I didn't lose a single trade. So 20 trades in a row. And first off, I kind of just want to break down the past 3 trades that I took, and then we're going to dive into my signal room and we're going to see the trades from July 12th, 2021 up until August 12th, 2021. So let's go. So the first trade that I kind of want to go over is this beautiful long that I took on 10th of August. And basically, we had a break of the 65 moving average with the 8 SMA crossover, kind of this resistance being broken in and break and retest kind of scenario right here. I kind of looked at the 1 hour and I had seen that we are in a bull market scenario on here. If you kind of see it from this perspective, you'll also see that on the 4 hour, we kind of have like a bull flag pattern as well. So I had known that we are going to probably continue to the upside. 153 200 is a very important level on GJ, and we did one rejection, but we created a pocket of like an equal high right here, meaning liquidity was on the top that was left. So this was a continuation of a higher high, higher low formation. This was also on the 61.8 fib. If you take your fib from here to here, you'll see, boom, 61.8 fib rejection as well on this candle. And this was during the New York session of the day before. Now, when you go back into the 1 hour, you'll see how I kind of took my entry. I really go down to the really low time frames to really get precision in my entries, because I give 10 pip stop losses on every trade. So you guys will see in the Discord in a little bit. So what we had over here is we had quite a bit of a range in Asian session, and then 2 a.m. pre-London push, we had a kind of like a break and retest of this, and I had seen that we're most likely going to break this channel. So I took longs up here with stops kind of targeting this low, but I had 10 pip stop loss on here. There we go, 10 pip stop loss right here, and boom, I went straight into profits. We hit TP4 on this signal. So I'm going to go over here and I'll show you guys. GBP/JPY 152.820 was the entry, and I had a stop loss of 152.72. TP1 was 152.92, and yeah, as far as TP4 goes, TP4 is 153.22, 40 pip TP, and as you can see, GBP/JPY TP1 smashed, GJ TP2 smashed. I was kind of just going on about my little win streak, and then TP4 smashed. So it's crazy. 40 pips were called on this. I also traded GU because it has a direct correlation. I really like trading GU and GJ at the same time because they move the same way, except GU usually gives me half the amount of pips as GJ, but it's still a nice little win I can catch on that. I hit TP2 on that, 20 pips. That was for 60 pips for the night right there. All right, second trade, we kind of got into lots of this consolidation. Like it's been interesting just to see that. And pre-London kind of came in around like 145 at 130. I kind of took the entry, and yeah, I did go into some drawdown with 10 pip stop loss, and boom, we were able to take TP1 on this for 10 pips into 153.140. So if you go here, you'll see buy GJ 152.94 was the stop loss. 153.04 was the entry. TP1 153.14 was the take profit that was smashed on this trade. It was crazy. We came up, came back down, came up, came back down. Finally, TP1 was smashed, and we went about that day. Lots of consolidation continued in the market. New York, there was a little long that I took in New York that I didn't call to my group for 30 pips. But yeah, on to the next day, which is today. I took a long at 153.100. So if you go on my Discord, you'll see 153.100 was my entry with a stop loss at 153, 10 pip stop loss. And let's see what we got. We only got a TP1 on this trade as well because of the ranging markets, and the market continued to the downside. So let me show you guys my Discord since July 12th for those of you guys who kind of want some signal proof. Just scrolling up. Take a minute. See what we get here. All right. So I'm gonna start from here. That was the start of the trading week. So the previous week I got stopped out. So it was the start of the trading week, July 14th. July 14th, we took a buy on Euro USD, Euro USD TP1 smash. Then I took a buy on GJ. I hit 30 pips on that trade. So let's go. I took another sell on Euro USD the next day. I hit TP1 if you had held that trade. So this was probably a scenario where price had came back to entry and then it flew 40 pips. So I'll probably just count that 10 pips. So far we're at 40 pips. Sell GJ. Let's see what we got. TP1 and TP2. So that's another 20 pips I got on that. So far we're looking at 60 pips. And then we sold GJ again the next day. We got to 20 pips out that again. So far 80 pips. We bought GJ on July 22 for 20 pips. Actually, we went all the way for TP5 on this one to 50. So let's count that again right quick. We have 10, 30, 40, 50, 70, and 70 plus 20, which is 90. And then 90 plus 50 is 140. We sold GJ and we got TP4 on that, 40 pips. Next up, we got a sell GU and we got 10 pips out of that. So far we're looking at 190. And then we bought GJ. We got TP4 on this trade, so add 40 to that. So we're looking at 230 pips right now. And then we sold UCAD. We got 20 pips on that, 250. GU, what did we get? We got 30 pips on that, 280. August 4th, we bought GJ and we bought GU. So GJ, we got TP2. So add 20 and add 10. That's 310 pips right there. We bought GJ on August 5th. What do we get? We got TP4 on that, so 40 pips. We're looking at 350 pips right there. Monday morning risky trade, August 9th. We bought GU, and let's see what we got over here. TP4 was that, TP1, TP2. So we got 30 pips for the night for that, 380. Bought GU, bought GJ again. TP1, TP2, smashed on that. So we went all the way to TP4 on that, plus 60, 440. Buy GJ, we had TP1 on that, plus 10, 450, plus 10. 460 pips roughly given in the signal room in a month. By the way, all trades are sent with a 10 pip stop loss. So if you really look at it in that way, it's probably like a 1 to 46 RR. But yeah, currently I am running a $120 signal promotion as of August 12th. And I have that running for the next few days. Get plugged in. You guys get access to my signals, my Zooms, and everything in my Discord community. So yeah, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video.